In this video, I'm going to go over the instruction manual on the Sony ICF-C1 alarm clock. I'm basically just going to show you the manual, talk about it briefly, and then in a separate video, I will show you how to set the alarm clock. Okay, here's getting started. Connected to a power source. That's pretty straightforward. Setting the clock for the first time. If for some reason it's not in the Eastern Standard Time, which is what it defaults to, you're going to need to adjust that. So you can take a brief look at that, and you can pause the video if you need to. Automatic daylight savings time adjustment. Okay, this shows you how to cancel it if need be. This section shows you how to set clock manually. And I'll try to hold it as steady as possible. This is playing of the radio. Setting the alarm, which carries on over to the next section. And like I said previously, I will post a video all on its own showing how to set the alarm. Some people prefer just to read the instructions though, and I completely understand that. That's how to stop the alarm, how to doze for a few more minutes, how to deactivate the alarm, how to set the sleep timer, turn off the radio before the preset time, and setting the display brightness. So there you have it. Like I say, you can pause that, rewind it, do what you need to, and then in a separate video I'll show you explicitly how to reset the time on the alarm clock if need be, and set the alarm itself. Thank you.